Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is our lab furniture project recently finished. The scope of the work is installation of lab furniture with the C-frame. If you see behind me, these are the C-frame. And let me show you in front camera the complete project. Okay, the worktop in this project is of epoxy, black epoxy, and same sink epoxy, chemical resistant, and the elaborate water faucet for the hot and cold water, right? And the cabinets, and if you see, the cabinets are hydraulic, and you have a place here behind that you can adjust the water lines. So this is nicely fitted, and if you check when we close the door, it is hydraulic. This is a hydraulic, it will close automatically by itself. So these are two door dryers, and these are two door, two dryer. Check, and both are hydraulic, noise free. There is no noise to open and close. This will go. So this is combination of C-frame and the cabinets. So you will see all of the work by the C-frame. You have no cabinets here, and here you will find the sink cabinet, the drawer for the material you can store here, and here, as per the client requirement, you have two sinks. Now, alhamdulillah, this is a small project. Inshallah, we will come to you with a new project. Recently we signed 3 big projects in Dammam, in Riyadh, in Medina. So I will update you accordingly with the new project, inshallah. Okay, sir.